welcome to my channel. So my face is all already moisturized and all that good stuff. I did my hair. So today we're going to be doing a remake of a old look I did. I'm going to make a little series out of this, so let's start it. So right here I'm doing my brows. I'm using the ColourPop's pencil in dark brown. It's like the really skinny one. I can't find it to tell you which one. I couldn't use my mirror because I'm blind, so I had to use a palette. So most of my brows you can't really see. I'm just showing you the little bit you can see. So I'm doing that, yeah. But yeah, I'm just gonna make a look I did when I was maybe 17, 16, when I really started getting into makeup. And so I'm going to be doing this process. Alright, brows are done. I used to clean up my brows, so one of them I jacked up. It's okay. Alright, so now I'm going to be grabbing my foundation, my Fenty Pro Matte in 420 and the Hydrating one in 430. I think this one was supposed to be empty. Hold up. We're gonna see. Yeah, she was supposed to be empty and she wasn't. Gang. I have two different shades because I was trying to get the perfect shade. The 420 is a little bit too yellow, but the Hydrating 430 she a little too orange. So we going back to 420. So you'll put that all over your face with your fingers. Some people don't like to. I don't care. So I'm using a sponge from ColourPop, the Precision sponge. I love this sponge. Really great sponge. We're going to do all that. We're going to blend it into the concealer. Oh, that good stuff. Blend down your neck. Make sure you blend it down your neck, please. Blend into your hairline, too. It looks pretty much like the same shade of my skin tone. Just slightly more orange. You're also going to put it over your lid. I'm blind, so you're going to always see me look really close to the mirror until I get contacts. Alright, foundation's done. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty concealer in 410. And then the Milani's Perfect and Conceal in Deep Tan. Fenty is more my skin tone, and the Milani is a little like three or four shades lighter. So I mix them to make it look more natural, and I like the coverage. And I'm trying to get every cent worth because if you buy Fenty, she is not cheap. She real expensive, So I'm putting that in the center of my face. I usually put a darker tone over my nose because I don't like to contour my nose. But I feel weird if I don't put concealer on my nose. Anybody else is like that? I'm going to blend it with my ColourPop sponge. I don't understand why we make those faces. Like it doesn't help you blend. Well, maybe it does. I don't think so. It's just something we do. I'm using this ColourPop's highlighting stick. I cannot tell you which one, but there's the only highlighting sticks they have. This color is Emboss. It's a really pretty gold color to a cream highlight. Again, I can't see what I'm doing, so we just go into with the punches. We're gonna blend it in with the side of the sponge. As you can see, I'm rotating the sponge to blend everything out so nothing is cross-contaminated. Blend. Now we're going to use Blackradiance banana powder and a Eco Tools sponge. This is the first sponge I ever used. It's a great sponge. I think this is my third one. It's a really great sponge. I'm also using two sponges because why not? It's easier than using. Oh, she's real messy. She doesn't have a stopper. This is the ColourPop's medium deep loose setting powder. I like using loose setting powder over all of my face instead of foundation powder. But yeah, I use 2 sponges because why not? Then I have the Blackradiance contour palette. I broke it, and I was gonna save it, but then I decided not to, and just threw away the pieces I broke. I am not contouring under my cheekbones. If you don't know what under your cheekbones is when you suck in your face. That is pretty much under it. You don't want to contour on it. You want to contour under it, especially when you have chunky cheeks like me. I cannot tell you what I'm listening to, but I'm going in. I feel like it was Megan Thee Stallion. I think it was Megan Thee Stallion. I know too much. Dance break, y'all. And remember in the picture, when I first started doing makeup, in the picture I am remaking contouring with, it was bad. It's real bad. I've gotten a lot better. I'm using the ColourPop's Pretty Fresh setting spray. Everything I'm using will be down in the description box. You want to push that in with your spun to make sure everything is flawless. Now we're on to the eyes. We're using the dark. We're gonna clean our brush first, but we're using the Milk Cosmetics Dark Matter eyeshadow and Unseen. Gotta put that everywhere to make everything blend flawlessly. We're using that as a neutral eyeshadow. I'm using the ColouredRaine Vivid Pigments and Shadows. And we're using the color Unbothered. I put that in my crease. As you can see the difference. It's kind of like a peachy orange color. Kind of transitioning. So I'm going to use this Blackmoon's Orb of Light palette. As you can see, it's well loaded. And I'm using Harvest. Yes, it's like a burnt orange color. Really pretty color. I kept forgetting to show the palettes. As you can see, I'm new to this. Give me a second to learn the basics. I'm now using this ColouredRaine Power palette. They actually got this palette off 50% right now, so y'all should go snatch it. It's actually a really good palette. I'm using the color Truth. And at first I was going to use it with a pencil, but it didn't work, so I used it with my finger. And kind of just blend down the lid. I'm now using the color Legacy. Yes. I'm using it with a brush. Could use it with my finger. My finger's kind of big. Another dance break. Don't know what I'm listening to. Now I think I'm putting that purple color in my waterline because I think I poked myself in the eye. And I'm using Truth in my waterline because I don't have the pencil. I'm now using, it's my Jayrrraven palette, and I'm using the highlight, the gold highlight, which is, I put it in the description box. It's really popping yellow. Gold. Alright, so I'm using the ColourPop's Pretty Fresh setting spray to seal it all together. Now I'm using NYX Suede matte lip liner in That Town Beauty. The lipstick I'm going to be using is Kat Von D liquid lipstick, everlasting lipstick in Crucifix. Yeah, she back on, so you know, gotta find the product. I don't know why I apply my lipstick with my glasses, knowing I can't see what I'm doing. Don't know. You can see my dirty mirror. Now I finally put on my glasses, and this is the final look. I'll be showing you comparisons to the old picture compared to the remake. If you like it, give me a comment. Goodbye. Also, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow all my social media. And yeah, bye guys. See you next time.